We often get asked, what are the main differences between a traditional hot wax and the Outback Organics Peelable Waxes? Number one, it's temperature. The peelable wax tends to have a much lower melting point, making it a lot more comfortable to apply onto your clients. Number two, technology. The Outback Organics Peelable Waxes are formulated with an advanced polymer technology, which means it shrinks down onto the hair, as opposed to a traditional hot wax, which tends to set onto the hair and skin. The benefits of the shrinking technology is that it will get out a lot more hair, including your soft, downy hair in the removal. Number three, the amount of product used. A peelable wax will require a lot less wax applied because of the nature of the shrinking technology, whereas a traditional hot wax needs to be layered on and the application tends to be thicker, meaning that you're using more wax in the process. And finally, flexibility. The peelable wax will remain flexible for the duration of the application, whereas a hot wax tends to go brittle very quickly, making the peelable wax a lot easier to use. Here is a visual to demonstrate the difference between a traditional hot wax patch, which you can see is a little bit thick on application and, as you can hear, will go brittle after application, and an Outback Organics Peelable Wax, which will maintain the flexibility, making it a lot easier to use. If you need any help or guidance with transitioning from a traditional hot wax onto the peelable waxes, any of our team would be happy to give you some advice and guidance. Please call 01823 66 3322.